Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good. So here in this video we are going to do question number 4 of 12.2 exercise. So let's start with the question. And this is a chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtends the right angle at the center. Now find the area of the corresponding part 1 minus segment, and the second part is major sector. First of all, we are going to implement the first line in the question. They are asking to make a circle, and this circle is having 10 cm of radius, and there is a chord, and between these radius having this chord, the angle which is creating, that is 90 degree. Okay, now they are asking in first part minus segment. So what is segment here? If you will subtract this sector from this triangle, so the value like this part will be our segment. So they are asking to find minor, so this is our minor segment. So as I told you that how can we find segment? After subtracting the area of triangle from area of sector. So simply we are going to find area of sector. Area of sector is equal to theta by 360 pi r square. Theta is 90 degree. 360 pi value is given into the question, that is 3.14. We are going to use this here. 3.14. Radius is given 10 into 10. It is 10. We will take it at 2 times. So just normal solution. It will divide. 4 will come here. Now we will do the division. Now the value which will come 157 by 2. So this is area of sector. This whole part is our area of sector. Now we need to find area of triangle. So area of triangle is equal to, as this triangle is having 90 degree angle, so we are going to use area of triangle formula 1 by 2 into height into base. So 1 by 2 into height and base, they both are same in this triangle. This is 10 into 10. So the value which will come, it would be 50 centimeters square. Now we have to find this segment. So just simply represent area of segment is equal to area of sector minus this triangle, area of. So just simply fill the values which we got after the solution. Area of sector is 157 by 2 and area of triangle is 50. Then the cross multiply, 157 minus 100. After subtraction, the value which will come 57 by 2. So this is 57 by 2 centimeter square, answer of the first part, that minor segment. Alright, now let's move towards the next part, that is major sector. So what is major sector? Like again we can make a circle, and now in this, if I will subtract this part of sector, I will left with this part of sector. This is the major sector and this was the minor sector. Alright. So now what we have to do, the formula which we are going to use, that is as like the area of sector, but the theta will get changed. The theta which was for the minor sector, it was 90 degree. Now what we are gonna do, we are going to subtract 360 is the sum of the whole circle. We will just deduct 90 from 360, so we will get 170. So this is the value of our theta. This is the theta of major sector. Now nothing to do anymore. We just going to use the area of sector formula. area of sector is equal to theta by 360 pi r square. Here you can write area of sector, or you can just write area of major sector as well. Okay, now just substitute the values. Theta is 270 divided by 360. Pi value is given 3.14. Here we are going to use this in the second part of this question as well. And radius is 10 into 10. Now again we are going to do the solution. This will give us 9, 12. Afterward, now the value which will come 3 into 157 by 2. It will give us 235.71 centimeter square. After multiplication and then division, the answer will be this. Thank you for watching this video.